Alright guys, this one's a bit weird, man. I've just acquired this radio. Apparently it's a Bush. Well, I know it's a Bush. It's an AC34. I've been looking at the only couple of pictures I've found online, and some of them show a massive transformer down here. But on this model, oh shit, it's not that. You've got your main switch there, which is pretty much the same for any radio at this age. I believe 1950s this one. Transformer has been replaced. A couple of massive resistors from the look of it. And seeing as I don't know much about the tech of the 50s and that, I know it was valves up until the transistor took over in about the 50s, something like that. I don't want to plug this in case something goes bang and I completely ruin it. But I will be checking all these valves, making sure that they have got vacuum, there's no cracks in it or anything like that. That one seems alright, might have been replaced at some point. It's just getting these bloody things back in. Oh, you can't go wrong there, can you? I should know a little bit about these because I've restored an old reverb amplifier that I've got from the 70s. Oh man, it's a bit of a dog. It is a bit of a dog at the minute, guys, but I will do my best to restore this. The chassis is not staying in there very well. A couple of screws, proper screws, but I do want this thing working. So far the receiver goes to about that far, then it stops. Something I can fix, that's easy. There's your power switch. I'm imagining that's the tone, but it's quite stiff, the pot's a bit stuck. Half the paint's come off on me, so the cab's going to need a damn good bit of restoration. But it's pretty, man, look at it. And I've got another one to show you, but I'll do that in the next video. So let's go to the back of it again. Hopefully I won't drop it again. Oh, I nearly dropped this earlier. See, it slips out. Right, let's get in on there, just to give you a little look at this thing. Any advice, guys, just give us a shout, man, because I don't want to see this thing sit around and gather dust. I think the coil on that's a bit shot, so I might have to give that a quick clean, see if I can restore it if I can. If not, I'll have to find another one. Look at that, how these bloody speakers are powered. Ah, we got a tone on this. It's a bit like them mad 70s, 80s car radios, isn't it? All the way at one side for a shitload of treble and mid-range. Down there for bass, no tops and mids. And you've got an external speaker as well. By the look of it. It looks cool though, man. I love stuff like this, guys. I'll show you another proper nice little toy, older than this, in a minute. I'm just trying not to pan around so I'll see it at the minute. Let's quickly get in on that, if it'll go. There you go. Sorry, my camera's a bit dirty, guys. Yeah, that's a bit better. Take a screenshot of that if you can. Oh, what a pretty little thing, man. I'm going to enjoy restoring this. I can't wait, man. I don't know what this is. I have no idea. Guys, just let me know, because that's obviously a plug of some sort. But yeah, oh, I can't wait, guys. I just want this up and running. From what I know, that's capacitor. Don't know what these are. There might be variable resistors. I ain't got a clue. There could be the tuner. I don't know. Oh no, that's the tuner, isn't it? That is pretty though. Look at that. Oh no, don't do it like that. Huh. Oh, I've just found the problem. I imagine that track's going to need a bit of grease. Look at it. It's a bit stiff, that is. Ignore the cuts on my hands. Guys, any feedback on this lovely little radio, man? Much appreciated. I'll see you in the next video, which is coming up in a few minutes, hopefully. Oh, someone's just messaged me. Thanks for the bike. Ah, no problem, Debs. Guys, see you in the next video.